everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with a fairy garden assortment Destash. It will be $20 plus a large priority box to ship to you. And I'm going to start out and show you. Scott made these for me for when I was going to try to do the fairy garden. So I'm just sticking them in the box as well. And then I have this little fairy house I made. I'm going to stick that in there. Got these little lanterns that I had no idea what I was going to do, but I'm throwing them in there. And let's start. So we have these two little houses. We have this. And we got this one and that. Little ice cream truck. And oops. I will have them wrapped. I'm just setting them in a box. I have some steps. I have a tree. I have a little bench. And then I have these little eggs that I had in there in a little bird nest. So I'm keeping them together. I have this little bird nest. Rainbow, little ice cream. Me and the girls were going to do this, but they're not interested. And then I have a wishing well. And then I have, oh, here's some more little speckled eggs. Such are cute. And then as you can see, I got some fairies. Some more fairies. Another fairy. Little llama girl. Got these little potted plants. I just thought they looked cute, you know, in the fairy garden. This one. Another fairy. Got some animals. Little signs. And this is so cute. So this, and then it has a little bench. Sits right there. Oh, I was going to put these all in bed. Then you have a duck. There's little babies. Got a little gnome. A little frog. Another little gnome. A little bunny. A little gnome. Little Sunday shop. Unicorn. Some plants. More little garden stuff, a little gnome, a little clock, some vegetables, a little gnome, sorry, lamb, a bird, little gnome guy reading a book, a little bunny, a little fairy, little gnome, another little gnome. Cute little gnome, a puppy dog and a gnome. And they're in this little bag. I'm going to put some other ones in it. I also had this for it, just like to make a walkway. Have some ones that have not even been opened. I have this little bunny too. Some candy, a little gnome, little people. So it will be $20 plus the shipping. I think for large is like 20. So we'll say 40. For 40 is yours to take it. That's including the shipping. So if you're interested, my email will be in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Bye.